Hey guys! So today I will be giving a font pack for you guys to download and use it for free. I have created a zip file of 702 fonts which contains all types of fonts. The drive files link is in the description. By the way, I will be showing you how to download and install the fonts on both PC and mobile. Also, the font pack contains a password, so watch the video till the end as the password will be shown in the screen at any time of the video. And I used an online text-to-speech converter so that my tutorials will be more easier to understand. Do tell me which one is better, normal text tutorials, or voice tutorial videos. So, let's begin the video without wasting any more time. First, download the pack which is in the description of the video and follow my steps. As you can see, I've already downloaded the file. Right-click the zip file and select Extract Files. Then, locate where you want to keep all your fonts. I will be keeping in a new folder. Now go where you have saved all the fonts. As you can see, there are 702 fonts. Now hit Ctrl+A to select everything. And right-click and select Install. I am sorry as there isn't a mobile tutorial actually. I don't know why, but my phone isn't unzipping the file. Sorry for that, but I will say the steps and also, will include a video link in the description of someone's, which I hope will be useful for you guys. Getting started, you need an application called ZArchiver. Link to that application is also in the description. So first, download the file and open the application and you will find a folder in it called Downloads. Open that folder and find the file name of which you have downloaded. Tap on it and you'll find an option called Extract. After that, locate to where you want to keep all the fonts and type the password and you will be done extracting. After doing all these steps, kindly see the video which is in the description, as it will say how to install all the fonts in PIXELLAB. By the way, if you have downloaded and installed the fonts correctly on your PC, then you will be able to see those in any photo and video editing softwares like Photoshop, Premiere Pro or After Effects. Just follow the steps in the video and you'll be able to see fonts in PIXELLAB too. Also, I hope this tutorial is useful for you guys. If it did, then please hit the like button and subscribe, and don't forget to comment down below if you need more tutorials like these. See you guys in my next video. Have a great day, and peace.